What's up, everyone? It's Antonio Romero here. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use the powerful new Motion Creative Analytics connector plugin within inside Claude Code. Now, I'm going to show you how to get the most out of this read-only tools. And as you can see, I have set up the connector already. I'm going to walk you through the setup. I'm also going to show you some of the powerful use cases that I am tapping into with our Creative OS. So if you're not familiar with our Creative OS, it is done for you creative ops that we fully offer. So we typically work with agencies that are white labeling our actual services, or we're working with brands to deliver high converting winning ads, or maybe a portfolio with multiple brands. So we need to be able to get quick snapshots that are detailed, accurate for a wide variety of different brands. And what is especially been helpful about Motion in the past is that it's able to give us this snapshot without you having to be a media buyer, without having you to actually navigate inside of the ads manager. So especially important for project managers or non-media buyers who are still related and key stakeholders in the actual creative process. So I'm going to walk you through how to set this up and then how to actually start using it for yourself in your day-to-day work. So I would head over to at least read through the connector itself on the official Claude website to give you an idea of what it does. Again, it's going to allow you to research competitor ad libraries seamlessly, also service top performers within individual ad accounts, spot declining trends, also understand what's working and why. But I'm going to take this a step further. I'm going to show you how to use Claude orchestration within Claude Code to dispatch multiple sub-agents to give you in a loop on a daily schedule everything that you need to see across all of the accounts that you may be managing. If you don't have the Claude desktop app set up, that is the first step that you want to do, assuming that you have that set up already. So understanding the connectors down here in the plus in your bottom of your chat, you have the ability to manage a wide variety of custom connectors, and you'll see Motion Creative Analytics is selected. Now to manage your connectors, it'll take you to a page where you'll see all of your listed connectors, and we have our Motion Analytics one here. Now, if you don't have this set up already, you could just search for it, and that's what I'll show you to do now. So all you have to do for this is go into your sidebar panel, go down to your settings. Under the settings, go to connectors, and then you want to browse connectors. You type in Motion, and then you can see Motion, this new connector here, which allows for analyzing ad creatives across different campaigns and accounts. So all you need to do is actually connect your account. And once your Motion Creative Analytics account is connected, you want to configure this. And this is just so you configure the permissions for the read-only tools so they have access across all of the various ad accounts. This is tools such as getting creative insights, like asking if you were to find the best performing winning creatives in the last 7 days or 30 days, it's going to be able to benchmark that and find those winning creatives based on the engagement metrics as well as based on the return on ad spend. Also, just creating reports, getting inspiration for creatives. It's really going to be a powerhouse for you to unlock new creative inspiration as well as consistently study and monitor competitors and then be able to reverse engineer what's working in the actual ads. So I'm going to show you some use cases now. Once you have these actually fully configured and it's always allowed on, we'll get into now how to set this up. I recommend using Claude Code because it's going to enable you to orchestrate multiple sub-agents and show you the exact workflow that we use every single day to get in-depth snapshots from all of our clients so we can have these reports at the ready whenever we need daily. All you have to do is open up a simple chat, the connector, make sure that it's turned on, and then you can just mention it. So this is one powerful use case that I'm showing you, and this is the way in which I would go to set it up once I have the connector. So I have to blur out, of course, the different workspaces, but you could see 21 workspaces within the single Growhub organization. And as the agent recommends for the daily pulse, we're going to have 7 agents across the 3 workspaces, and we can actually set up a Claude routine to where it works in the cloud remotely, and that's helpful for just robust persistence, so that way it works entirely on Claude servers. Or you can actually just run a loop like this. So to do this, you just want to command / the loop, and it will come up there. You can see this will run basically a cron within this exact session, or you could do the schedule. And the schedule is just going to create a scheduled task on demand that you can run on interval. And it will actually do things like send you an email update. It doesn't even need to be inside of Claude. So here at Growhub in our Creative OS, we're offering done for you Agentic Creative Ops. And this is high velocity, high scale, while ensuring full brand kit adherence across multiple different clients. So if this is something you're interested in, of course, feel free to reach out to us. But I hope this video helped. And I hope it gave you an idea of actually how you can unlock much more value through these simple use cases now. So just to show you one output for what these reports look like, this is one of our client examples. I asked it just simply how the performance is doing over the last 30 days, and it gave us a clear idea and understanding of what the repeatable winning formats are, what the actual signals and actual elements of the winning ad, and the overall breakdown of the performance. Now, we could go much more deeper into this. We could turn this into a client-facing report, but I hope this illustrates and give you an idea here of just how powerful this data is now. So before you felt like intimidated by the actual ads manager, now there's really no excuses because you have everything at your fingertips within a single Claude chat, all in natural language. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. If you found this video valuable, please leave a like and comment below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.